Hello everybody, welcome to today's art class. Today I'm going to show you how to use Book Creator. We are going to upload photos, we are going to put in speech and captions. We're going to change backgrounds, and all in all we're going to learn a lot and have a great deal of fun making a comic book page. So, your teacher will give you a code, and when you type in that code, it will take you to a library of books. You need to find the book that has your class name on. Today, I'm going to use P5P's book to demonstrate for you. When you put your cursor over the book, a little pen appears. Click on it, and that will allow you to edit the book. So here is the cartoon I drew. I have given each of my characters something to say or think. Welcome to Book Creator P5P. You each have your own page to work on inside this book. Miss Nikki will show you how to make a comic page, and you will create dialogue, which is speech like this. You will add your visual images that you have drawn of your characters, and you will create captions, backgrounds, and all sorts of other things. Let's go in and find out how this is going to work. Use the arrow key to turn the page. You can see here my picture looks a bit different. During this project, you have created your own characters. Maybe you still want some help or to spend more time on creating characters. Here is a video about how to do that. Here, you can click the link and go to this video to watch step by step as you are making your book, if you need to. I have written here a checklist of how you can be successful in this project. You will need to upload one or more of your drawn pictures. You will need to use speech and thought bubbles. You will need to use media tools to add to your work. Here you can see I have added a drawing of a tree, some shadows, and I have changed the background. Now by clicking the next page, you will see names. That is your page if your name is on it. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to show you now each of the tools. Here is your empty page. And here are the tools we need: the Add tool and the Inspector tool. If I click on the Add tool, I get different things that I can do. Comic. Comic allows you to put different panels into your work. Speech allows you to make speech bubbles. If you want to delete something, you click on it and delete it. Or you can click here, the undo button. Okay, and it can take you right back to your empty page. Here are thought bubbles. When you click text, you get a choice: caption, title, a boom, and texts. Or here we have different comic strip sort of stickers. So let's start here and make our comic page. Add a panel. I'm going to add 2. If I then go to Inspector, I can change the background. This is my favorite color. Here is the background. Now I am going to add a sticker. This will be my title sticker, which I can change the size by dragging these live tabs. I can change the rotation by clicking and moving my tracker pad using my fingers. I can now add to this text. It's going to be my title. My title is going to be Welcome. Now I can keep it that size, or I can change it. Make this maybe larger and nearer the top. And then put the text inside. That stands out quite nicely, but there are all sorts of things I can do with the text. As long as my box is selected, I can go to Inspector and change things. Okay, I can change the color of the writing. I can see here it's red, the red welcome. There we go. I'm going to change it to the light blue so it fits in nicely with my background. I can change the font, make it more readable, make it completely different. However, I actually very much like the first one. So that, ooh, look at that one. I love that one. If I done, good, I can click on it. I now need to make it smaller, don't I? So it fits in the box. The smaller tool is here. At the moment it's 80. Look, click, 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 it's going down. Right, you can play with this and experiment and create different size fonts and a title for your page. Okay, for the second part of this, I am going to show you how to use the media tools. So a media tool, we are going to import the pictures you have already taken of your artwork. I click on Import and I go to Files, and this will take me to the desktop. Now it just so happens here I actually have a picture that was drawn of me by some IB students last year. You just have to wait a minute while it inserts the picture. I could be doing something else. I can be adding a speech bubble because I'm going to make my character talk. There we go. I can also change the colours of my speech bubble. Aha! Here we are. Speech bubble will be yellow. Now, as I've said before, to change something, you need to select it. It needs those what we call hot buttons. I can then click and drag and make it smaller. There we go. Right, let me show you how to use the media tools. So I click on my photo, add, media, and I'm going to use my pen. When we click on the pen tool, we get a color button, different thicknesses, an eraser, a fill whole page, I won't be using that, and some different emojis. Let's not use emojis. Okay, so I'm going to choose color, dark blue, and a type of pen. I'm going to use a paintbrush. Okay, I am now going to add to my artwork. I can now add paint on top of my picture. Now with a smaller tool, it will be easier. However, you get the idea very carefully. And then when you've finished, press done. It will update. So I have added a photo, I have added a speech bubble, and I have used media to draw and to change backgrounds. I'm just going to go back to the first page and just check and see that I've been successful. I've uploaded one picture, I've used speech bubbles, and I have used media. Good, I have done everything that my teacher asked me to do. I am, though, going to improve this. Yeah? At the moment, it's not quite as good, I don't think, as it could be. So I'm going to click on the different parts. I'm going to change the color of my boom. So I'm going to change it into a different color, I think, because I don't think that the yellow goes so well there. So I'm going to delete that one. Click. And then I'm going to put the welcome on top. Then click on Inspector, and down the bottom it allows you to move to the front or to the back. So we're going to want the words to the front. So we click on there, woohoo, and there it is in front. Okay. When you've finished your page, fantastic. Let us know and we'll all share your wonderful work. Well done, everybody, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing all your lovely comics. Bye.